Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we're diving into the latest release from Realme, the 2025 Realme 5 Pro. This phone is making waves with its upgraded features, sleek design, and powerful performance. If you're looking for a budget-friendly smartphone that doesn't compromise on quality, this might just be the one for you. Let's break it down. Starting with the features, the Realme 5 Pro 2025 edition comes with a stunning AMOLED display that delivers vibrant colors and deep blacks. The refresh rate has been upgraded, making scrolling and gaming smoother than ever. Under the hood, it's powered by the latest mid-range chipset, ensuring fast performance whether you're multitasking, gaming, or streaming. Realme has also introduced AI enhancements that optimize battery life and boost overall efficiency. The camera setup is another highlight. It features a high-resolution main sensor that captures sharp and detailed images in all lighting conditions. The ultra-wide lens allows you to fit more into the frame, perfect for landscapes and group shots. The macro and depth sensors add versatility, letting you experiment with close-up shots and portrait effects. On the front, the selfie camera is packed with AI features for enhanced portraits and natural skin tones. Battery life is impressive, thanks to a large capacity battery and efficient power management. With fast charging technology, you can go from zero to a significant charge in just a few minutes. Whether you're a heavy user or someone who needs a reliable phone throughout the day, this battery won't disappoint. Now let's talk about the exterior. Realme has refined the design, giving the 5 Pro a premium feel despite its affordable price. The back panel features a glossy finish with a gradient effect, making it look stylish and modern. The frame is solid, offering a comfortable grip, and the button placement is ergonomic for easy access. The device also retains a headphone jack, which is a big plus for those who still prefer wired audio. On the software side, it runs on the latest Realme UI, based on the newest version of Android. The interface is clean and responsive, with customization options to personalize your experience. Realme has also optimized the software to reduce bloatware, making the phone run even smoother. In conclusion, the 2025 Realme 5 Pro is an excellent choice for those who want a feature-packed phone without breaking the bank. With its high-quality display, capable cameras, strong performance, and stylish design, it ticks all the right boxes for a mid-range smartphone. If you're looking for a reliable daily driver with great value for money, this one is worth considering. That's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think about the new Realme 5 Pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from FK iPhone. See you in the next one.